When it comes to travel this summer and fall, many of us will prefer short trips to see loved ones or stay close to home vacations. We totally get it. That's why we have been preparing to welcome you back to a place that is just a short drive away, familiar to you, and has plenty to do for you or the whole family. This summer, join us and rediscover Pittsburgh. While there have been many changes in the world these past months, Pittsburgh is still the same beautiful and welcoming destination it has always been. Our 90 unique neighborhoods remain highlights in a destination that is iconic and embraces authenticity. The rolling hills, mountains, 3 rivers, and plenty of parks and green spaces define us. Our great museums, hotels, attractions, and restaurants look forward to welcoming you. Of course, there is still plenty to do outdoors, including hiking, biking, kayaking, and boating on our famous 3 rivers. And the Pittsburgh hospitality community has joined together to ensure that the highest health and safety guidelines are in place so that you can confidently enjoy our city. We look forward to welcoming you as you rediscover Pittsburgh.